French lemonade that we had, we washed down our seasoned curly fries from Arby's, and then the other one, the straight seasoned fries from the other company, and both of them were good. And I used this to wash it down. But what I didn't understand was that normally lemonade in this country is not carbonated. This stuff is heavily. Normally, lemonade has more sugar than, say, a lot of other things. And this one here is no exception. They are, what is it right here? Fiber streaming. I don't see it here, but they went way over the top. Yeah, here it is. I thought my eyes were playing tricks on me, but that's 114%. So they poured a lot of sugar in here, and I don't taste it, but they say it's in here. So this stuff has got it's got the salt, not that much compared to the sugar. Total fat is 0, but that's what you'd expect. And it had this bottle with the kind of emblem on it, and the fancy top for closing. Close it like that, and then you open it, you pull it back and open, and the cap doesn't go anywhere. So everybody else's grass is always greener, so this was something different, and I thought something cool, and I thought, boy, this French, they know a lot of other things about food, so maybe they know about lemonade as well. And I thought, boy, maybe this thing will knock your socks off. But it was a little different, and it's packed with sugar, and that carbonation is overwhelming. So if you like carbonated lemonade, this is for you. If you like different fancy bottles that you want to keep as a part of your decor or something, and then they've been around since 1895, and so this is Lorena artisanal lemonade. So there that is. Just wanted to upgrade add on to that one as well, to make sure that you knew what was in it if you go running out to buy it. At least you know what you're going to get. So we'll sign off on that one now as well.